Gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. You gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey, you gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey, that's the only way to win the race. You gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey, you gotta push, pray, and keep the faith.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm back with another video, y'all. A hair video. I'm doing a Flexi rod set, and the ones I'm gonna be using is these sizes. Use these at the back because I want a more bigger curl in the back and then more small in the front, and use these too. But first, follow us on Instagram, authentic_and_blessed. I'm gonna leave it right here on the screen. And y'all, I never use mousse for my Flexi rod sets. I always use a cream, and of course I'm going to be using my Holy Grail Texture ID. So let's get straight to the video. So you want to start with your hair already freshly washed and detangled. Apply some product. I already applied my leave-in conditioner and oil of choice. So now what you do is you detangle, apply your product, 2-strand twist. Detangle the ends again. Then add your Flexi rod as close to the root as possible. Wrap it around, leaving space, because the look I'm going for is like the wand curl look. Add some more product towards the ends so it can stay on. It won't be frizzy at the ends. And secure the ends, and secure your root. Okay, again, sis, remember, detangle, apply your product, 2-strand twist, add your Flexi rod as close to the root as possible, because you don't want bushy roots, unless that's the look you're going for, but I'm not here. Wrap it around like you would do on a wand curl. There. Apply more products towards the end if you need to, so it can stay on the perm rod. Flexi rod. And secure the end. I got these blue Flexi rods from the Dollar Tree, and let me tell you, they work, sis. They work just as good as the other ones from my local beauty supply store. They're a little flimsy, they're a little cheap quality a little bit, but you definitely will get a good curl at the end. So if you ain't got the money to buy the regular kind, go to Dollar Tree and get those for $1. I use them in the front because I wanted a more smaller curl. And I wanted to show y'all that the ones from the Dollar Tree do work just as good as the other ones. I'm not gassing you, sis.
24 hours later.
Now for the takedown, y'all. You unravel the flexi rod in the opposite direction that you put it in. See, these the ones from the Dollar Tree. Watch that curl, sis. Watch. See that? Look at that juicy, bouncy curl, sis. Yes! Come through, curl. Flexi rod from the Dollar Tree. See that? See that? Yes. Yes, sis. Get your flexi rods from the Dollar Tree. Don't be ashamed. Look, they do work. Look at that curl. Look at that curl. Flexi rods are removed. It's time to separate, unravel the twist a little bit, loosen it up, because you know we did the 2-strand twist, and separated the curl. Make sure you put a little oil on your fingers to eliminate some frizz, not all, but most of the frizz. Frizz is good, y'all. Frizz is a good thing. Actually makes my hair bigger, so I love frizz. Unravel it in the opposite direction and twirl it back up at the ends to eliminate some frizz. If the ends is a little frizzy, keep the nice uniform curl, and make sure you don't do what I did, y'all. Make sure you twirl the curl in the direction that it was curled in, so you can eliminate some frizz too. Cause I made more frizz myself. I created frizz. Separate, twirl around your finger. Grab your pick, in my case, my wide tooth comb, and fluff to your desired look. The more you fluff, remember, the less defined the curls will be. The less you define, the less you fluff, the more defined the curls will be. And at this point, you just fluff it to your liking, shape it, frame it to your face desire, to your desire, sis. But these are my results. And I love doing flexi rod sets and perm rod sets for like special occasions. It's a great Mother's Day hairstyle if you celebrate it. I don't, but I'm just saying it's a great hairstyle if you know, want a different look than you twist out, braid out. Give yourself a little shake, shake, shake. You know, not to toot your own horn, but you know. Thank y'all for watching. watching. And like we say at this time, push, pray, keep the faith, and I'm out.
Gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. You gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey.